Straight to the point, Samsung has removed the record button from the camera Pro mode and other modes too in the latest update, Pi. When I got a notification that a new firmware version is ready to install, I thought, yeah, let's go ahead and install it. After this, I could not find the record feature anymore, which I primarily use it to record my videos. Since Pro mode came out all these years, it's been going so well for those who record using its features. Suddenly someone in Samsung developers team decided, hey, I think it's a good idea to remove the record button, which is absolutely ridiculous. I was on the phone with Samsung all day complaining. In the Samsung members forum, those who use this feature are actually peed off. Samsung support saying they don't know if it has been definitely removed or it will be coming back. There's no definite answer. And also they were saying I can't go back to the Oreo version. But I actually did. Thanks to an online YouTuber, I was able to reverse the version and got back the record button. In auto mode, you can't get these features that are in Pro mode, and even the quality in auto is not that good comparing to the Pro mode. So listen up Samsung, there's many of us around the world that use this feature to toggle around with the ISO, aperture and many other features, whether it's for YouTube videos, family holidays, parties, you name it. We like to kindly request Samsung to bring back the record function on all modes in the camera. And I request all Samsung members that have the same problem to pick up the phone or email them and complain regarding this, because the more we raise our voices, the better they will hear us and implement what we want. Catch you guys soon. Peace.